Hi guys, today I'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a device problem on ChatGPT. To know how to fix or how to solve device problem on ChatGPT app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to the window of ChatGPT. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click on storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.